Hi guys, I just wanted to come on real quick because I am just blown away by this lady, this queen. She has been trailblazing on the tracks for quite some time, and this year has been literally her year. Every single time she has been coming first or second. Tokyo Olympics, she bossed that out, and she started this whole trend of Jamaica ladies 100-meter sweep, and I am here for it. Ever since she has entered the Diamond League, the Wanda Diamond League, she has been trailblazing again. But I have a question for you guys. Do you think she should? We are so proud of her, but in all actuality, as much as we love the Jamaica medals coming home, she needs her rest.